Total entertainment guaranteed at William Ninoy's Payag Hacienda Comedy Bar. Come on down with your whole bakada to the pre-graduation laughter with Cebu's famous comedy star, Romy Tarsier Jr.
Hi, this is Romy Tarsier Jr. I'm inviting you to watch our show dito sa Hacienda Comedy Bar. Pagdali, may akong tangtangon ang inyong mga problema.
Back to back with Margie V at the Hacienda Bar, a part of William Ninoy's Payag, including International Bar and British Bar.
Oh, super fly.
All three bars located at Corners Cario and Juan Asmeña Street, Cebu City.
Oy, oy, oy! William Ninoy!
To our place, Hacienda Ninoy's Payag Comedy Bar. Well, mga kaibigan, medyo marami ating mga panahon ngayon at medyo may coverage tayo. Channel 24 is bigyan natin na talaga, no? Channel 24, Animal. Can you stand, Will? Can you stand? Can you stand? Thanks to our audience. I love you. Come on, yakis pala ito. Friday, you are flying na. You go to your country na. This coming Friday. Huh?
I don't know where. One word. Yes.
Yes. Yes. I want I
Ate, di ba? Pang Lady Marmalade. Hi, honey. Ganda ng smile ito. Nasaan mo si cutie mo? Malapit sa CR. Pwede ko lang yung mayon. Iba na kayo mga bakla. May mga bahay.
Next song is Beautiful Lie by Shakira and Beyonce. Okay.
Ano na lang, change lang natin. Shakira portion pa tayo, okay? May video tayo. Hi, Attorney. Ano ba? FHN. Ano gusto mong buhay?
Sister flow, sister flow, sister flow, sister soul, sister flow, sister all on down on the roof, turning down on the tree. Hey girl, give it up. Gucci, la 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 la. Gucci, la la. Mocha chocolate,
Question to Romy, that's right after us. Go. Gusto mo bagay na bagay sa iyan.
I would like flash, so irresistible.